How to make everyone can mention you on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can mention you on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile and click this three lines in top corner, and now click settings and privacy, and then click privacy and scroll down until you find mentions and tags. Click on it and scroll down. Here you will find it like that, or then just click here, click everyone, click on it and go back. It will be saved, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.